Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with a new quality control test in concern of glass container. Totally three quality control tests I have been completed now till up to now. The first one, that is the chemical resistant test. In that we have been studied two types of the chemical resistant test, that is the powder attack test and powder glass test and water attack test. Then the second test which we have been completed, that was light transmission test for the amber color glass container. Third one, that was the hydrolytic resistant test. These are the three tests which I have been completed related to the glass container. Now today I am going to start with the fourth quality control test in concern of glass container. The fourth one, that is the thermal shock test. The name of the fourth quality control test which we are going to start today, that is a thermal shock test. Now try to understand the procedure of this thermal shock test which I have been mentioned here in front of you in this particular slide. First point, place the sample container in an upright position in a tray. What we have to do, firstly we have to place the sample container in the upright position in a tray. Then immerse that tray into a hot water for the given period of time. Now what we are doing, firstly we are placing the glass container. ज्या ग्लास कंटेनर्सवर आपल्याला थर्मल शॉक टेस्ट परफॉर्म करायची आहे ते ग्लास कंटेनर आपण एका ट्रे मध्ये ठेवून देतो आणि तो ट्रे जो आहे दॅट वॉज इमर्स्ड इन टू द हॉट वॉटर फॉर अ गिवन पिरियड ऑफ टाइम and then immediately transfer that tray into a cold water bath. However, the temperature of both hot and cold water both are closely get controlled. Finally, when we are going to transfer the tray of glass container from a hot water bath to the cold water bath, we have to examine for the cracks. We have to examine for the cracks or the breaks on the container before and after the test. Now try to understand. However, the amount of thermal shock a bottle can withstand depend on its size and the design. Now in this test, what we are going to perform, try to understand that particular procedure. या टेस्ट मध्ये आपण काय करतोय ते लक्षात घ्या. Firstly, we have been taken the glass containers over which we want to perform the thermal shock test. That glass containers are placed into a one specific tray. Then that tray is immersed into a hot water bath for the given period of time. Once the time has been over, that tray has been taken out from the hot water bath and it was immediately added into the cold water bath. Now, because of this difference in the temperature, because of this difference in the immediate difference or the change or the variation in the temperature, that is from hot water bath to the cold water bath, we have to examine the cracks and the breaks which are get generated on the container before the test and after the test. Try to understand. आपण सडनली काय करतोय, हॉट वॉटर बाथ मधनं ट्रे काढतोय आणि त्याला कोल्ड वॉटर बाथ मध्ये इमर्स करतोय. However, because of this difference in the temperature, हा जो डिफरन्स तयार होणार आहे टेम्परेचर मधला, that difference in the temperature is responsible for the cracking of the glass container or the breaking of the glass container. Next point. Small bottles withstand a temperature differential of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, while the large bottle is able to withstand with the temperature difference of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. However, if suppose you are taking a small glass containers, then that small glass containers is having an ability to remain withstand with the difference in the temperature of cold water and the hot water bath, that is the difference of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. While if you are placing a large bottle containers in this particular test, then that large bottle container is having an ability to remain withstand with the temperature difference of 30 to 40 degree Celsius. In this test, the temperature difference between the hot and the cold water bath is maintained up to the 45 degree Celsius. So student, try to understand, या particular method मध्ये, या particular test मध्ये, suddenly a temperature variation is taking place. We are moving the tray of a glass container from a hot water bath into the cold water bath, and because of this differentiation in the temperature, because of this differentiation in the temperature, we have to note down the cracks or the breaks on the glass container. However, small bottles are able to withstand with the temperature difference of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, while the large bottle they are able to withstand with the temperature difference of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. So this was in the fourth test in concern of glass container, that is the thermal shock test. Fifth one, leakage test. The name itself indicating, student, in this test What we are going to examine? We are going to examine the leakage in the glass container. Whether there is any kind of the leakage in the glass container or not, that we have to examine with the help of this particular quality control test, and that quality control test is called as leakage test. Basically, leakage test is carried out or it was performed by making a use of under two methods, method 1 and method 2. Method 1: fill the 10 containers with a water, fit with their intended closures, and keep them in an inverted position at the room temperature for the 24 hour. After 24 hours, the test is said to be a pass if there is a no sign of the leakage from any container. This is one of the most simple quality control tests which we are using to examine the leakage in the glass container, to evaluate the leakage in the glass container. ग्लास कंटेनरमध्ये लिकेज आहे का नाही हे इव्हॅल्युएट करण्यासाठी, हे एक्झामाइन करण्यासाठी आपण दोन प्रकारच्या मेथड वापरतो, मेथड 1 अँड मेथड 2. मेथड 1 मध्ये काय करायचं आपल्याला? वी हॅव टू टेक अ 10 glass containers which are filled with and the water. All those glass containers are get closed with their intended closures. They are get covered up. Their mouth has been get covered up with their intended container. And then these 10 containers, they are placed in an inverted position. They are placed in a inverted position at a room temperature for the period of 24 hours. At the end of 24 hours, we have to examine, we have to observe for the any kind of the leakage in the glass container. If after 24 hours there is a no any kind of the leakage, or there is a no sign of the leakage from the container, then we can say that our containers pass the leakage test. Our containers passes the leakage test. Method 2. In the method 2, drug filled container is placed in another big container which is filled with the color solution, that is the methylene blue. आता दुसऱ्या मेथड मध्ये काय होतोय? Drug filled container means the container over which we have to perform this leakage test, the container over which we have to carry out this leakage test, ज्या कंटेनर वर आपल्याला leakage test perform करायची आहे, that containers firstly get filled out with the pharmaceutical solutions or the pharmaceutical drug formulation. Drug filled container, इथे काय म्हटलंय? Here the word is used, that is the drug filled container. Now what it means? It means that we are going to perform our leakage test. आपण leakage test perform करणार आहोत ग्लास कंटेनरवर, पण ते ग्लास कंटेनर कसे आहेत? ड्रग फिल्ड, म्हणजे त्यांच्यात ड्रग फिल करून ठेवलेला आहे. Now the drug filled container is placed in another big container or another big jar which is already filled with the color solution, which is already filled with the color solution, and that solution is the methylene blue. लक्षात घ्या. म्हणजे आपले जे लहान एम्पूल्स असतील, लहान वायल्स असतील, ते लहान एम्पूल्स आणि वायल्स ज्यांच्यामध्ये ऑलरेडी ड्रग फिल्ड केलेलं आहे, ते लहान एम्पूल्स अँड वायल आपण मिथिलीन ब्लूच्या सोल्युशन मध्ये टाकून ठेवतोय. मिथिलीन ब्लूचं सोल्युशन कशामध्ये ठेवलेलं आहे? द सोल्युशन ऑफ मिथिलीन ब्लू इज प्लेस्ड इन अ बिग कंटेनर और इट इज प्लेस्ड इन अ बिग जार. Okay, try to understand this particular procedure. I am explaining once again. Drug filled container is placed in another big container or a big jar which is already filled with a color solution, that is the methylene blue, and it was autoclaved at the 121 degrees Celsius for the period of 10 minutes under the pressure. Okay. Later on, the containers are observed whether the color get entered in the drug filled containers or not. However, you are performing the autoclaving. The autoclaving is performed for the period of 121 degrees Celsius. Sorry, at the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius for the period of 10 minutes. 10 मिनिटानंतर ऑटोक्लेव्ह मधनं तो मिथिलीन ब्लूचा जार काढायचा, आणि त्या मिथिलीन ब्लूच्या जारमध्ये जे आपण ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर ठेवले असतील ते एक एक ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर आपल्याला एक्झामाइन करायचं आहे. आता लक्षात घ्या की ज्या कंटेनरमध्ये ड्रग फिल्ड केलं होतं तो ट्रान्सपरंट किंवा ट्रान्सलुसंट कंटेनर होता, म्हणजे त्याच्यात फक्त कलरलेस ड्रग सोल्युशन होतं आपलं. आता तर जर का त्या कलरलेस ड्रग सोल्युशन मध्ये मिथिलीन ब्लू सोल्युशन मिक्स झाला असेल, आता जर का कलरलेस ड्रग सोल्युशन मध्ये ब्लू कलरचा मिथिलीन ब्लू सोल्युशन मिक्स झाला असेल, तर याचा अर्थ काय इंडिकेट होतोय? इट वॉज इंडिकेटिंग दॅट युअर कंटेनर इज हॅव्हिंग द लिकेज, युअर कंटेनर इज हॅव्हिंग द स्मॉल होल्स ओव्हर इट्स सरफेस. ओके, इफ the drug container is having a leakage, then and then only the color solution, that is the solution of methylene blue, will enter into your drug filled container. जर का तुमच्या ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर मध्ये लिकेज असेल तेव्हाच तो मिथिलीन ब्लू सोल्युशन त्या ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर मध्ये एंट्री करू शकतो ऑटोक्लेव्हिंग केल्यानंतर. आणि जर का मिथिलीन ब्लू सोल्युशन ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर मध्ये एंट्री करून घेत असेल आणि तुमच्या ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनरला कलरफुल करून देत असेल तर याचा अर्थ काय होत आहे दॅट युअर ड्रग फिल्ड कंटेनर इट वॉज हॅव्हिंग अ लिकेज, इट वॉज हॅव्हिंग अ प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ लिकेज. So student, this was the next quality control test, that is the leakage test in concern of your glass container. Understand? So the fourth one which I have been completed today, that was the thermal shock test, and the fifth one, that is the leakage test. Okay. Sixth one, internal bursting pressure test. Internal bursting pressure test. Now student, in this test, the name itself indicating आपण या टेस्ट मध्ये काय एक्झामाइन करणार आहे किंवा काय इव्हॅल्युएट करणार आहे, वी आर गोइंग टू इव्हॅल्युएट द इंटरनल ब्रस्टिंग ॲबिलिटी. हाऊएव्हर इफ वी आर गोइंग टू इन्क्रीज द प्रेशर इनसाइड द ग्लास कंटेनर, जर का आपण ग्लास कंटेनरमध्ये प्रेशर वाढवतोय, सातत्याने जर का प्रेशर वाढवत असू तर कुठल्या प्रेशरवर जाऊन तो ग्लास कंटेनर ब्रेक होईल किंवा कुठल्या प्रेशरवर जाऊन तो ग्लास कंटेनर ब्रस्ट होईल ते आपल्याला इथे एक्झामाइन करायचं आहे, ते आपल्याला इथे चेक करून घ्यायचं आहे. लक्षात घ्या. मी परत एकदा रिपीट करतोय. The name of the sixth number quality control test in concern of glass container is a internal bursting pressure test. Internal bursting pressure test. In this test, student, what we are going to do? We are going to increase the pressure inside the glass container. Glass container मध्ये आपण सातत्याने प्रेशर वाढवतोय आणि आपण नोट डाऊन करतोय की कुठल्या प्रेशरला जाऊन तो ग्लास कंटेनर ब्रस्ट होतोय, कुठल्या प्रेशरला जाऊन तो ग्लास कंटेनर ब्लास्ट होतोय. लक्षात घ्या. And that's why this quality control test is called as internal bursting pressure test. The most common instrument which is used for the internal bursting pressure test, that is American Glass Research Increment Pressure Tester. कुठला टेस्टर वापरला जातोय? The most common instrument which is used for determining the internal bursting pressure of the glass container is the American Glass Research Increment Pressure Test. Second point, the test bottle is filled with the water and placed inside the chamber of this particular tester. आता ज्या ग्लास कंटेनरवर आपल्याला इंटरनल बस्टिंग टेस्ट परफॉर्म करायची आहे, इंटरनल बस्टिंग प्रेशर टेस्ट परफॉर्म करायची आहे, त्या ग्लास कंटेनरमध्ये आपण वॉटर भरून घेतोय. वी आर फिलिंग दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ग्लास कंटेनर विथ अ वॉटर. देन इट वॉज प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द चेंबर ऑफ दिस टेस्टर. It was placed inside the chamber of this tester. Third point, then a scaling head is applied and the internal pressure is automatically raised by a series of increment, each of which is held for a particular set of time. आता स्केलिंग हेड अप्लाय केला जातो त्या ग्लास कंटेनरवर आणि मधला जो प्रेशर आहे तो ग्रॅज्युअली वाढवला जातो. दॅट इंटरनल प्रेशर वॉज इन्क्रीज्ड, इट वॉज अलाउड टू राईज बाय अ सिरीज ऑफ increments, and each of this pressure it was hold for a particular period of the time. Okay, next point, the bottle can be checked to pre-selected pressure level and the test continue until the container finally burst. Now as I told you student की ग्रॅज्युअली आपण प्रेशर वाढवत जातोय. प्रेशर वाढवता वाढवता आपण ते प्रेशरला काही पिरियडसाठी होल्ड करून ठेवतो, त्यानंतर अजून प्रेशर वाढवतो आणि आपण सातत्याने हा प्रेशर वाढवत राहतो जोपर्यंत आपला कंटेनर बस्ट होत नाही, जोपर्यंत आपला ग्लास कंटेनर ब्रेक होत नाही. म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या की आपला ग्लास कंटेनर इंटरनली, आपण जो सिलेक्ट केलेला ग्लास कंटेनर आहे तो इंटरनली किती प्रेशर बिअर करू शकतो की ज्याच्यामुळे त्या ग्लास कंटेनरचं बस्टिंग होत नाहीये, त्या ग्लास कंटेनरचं ब्लास्ट होत नाहीये किंवा तो ग्लास कंटेनर तुटत नाहीये. इंटरनली तो किती प्रेशर बिअर करू शकतो ते आपण इथे डिटरमाइन करतोय, ते आपण इथे एक्झामाइन करतोय. स्टुडंट, रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिक्युलर टेस्ट, या टेस्टच्या संदर्भात एक व्हिडिओ माझ्याकडे आहे विच वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग or which was representing that how we are performing the internal bursting pressure test for the glass container. ग्लास कंटेनरसाठी आपण कुठल्या प्रकारे इंटरनल बस्टिंग टेस्ट परफॉर्म करतो, दॅट थिंग वी आर आय एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू हियर. ओके, with the help of this particular video. Okay, try to understand student. Just a minute, I have to remove out. Sorry. Just a student, I'm going to show you this particular video. So this was actually the last day, student, in concern of our, this was the last test in concern of our glass container. In concern of glass container, this was in the last test which I want to explain. This was in the last quality control test for the glass container, that is the internal bursting pressure test. So student, as I told you, I'm having a video which I want to show you. Okay, with the help of this video, you can understand that how, sorry, I forgot to connect the net in order to show you the video. मला एक व्हिडिओ दाखवायचा आहे तुम्हाला. त्या व्हिडिओवरनं तुमच्या लक्षात येईल दॅट हाऊ दिस इंटरनल बस्टिंग टेस्ट फॉर द ग्लास कंटेनर इज कॅरिड आउट और परफॉर्म. Just a minute, I'm going to connect it with the internet connection so that I will able to show you that particular video. Okay, now here the video is there, student. Now student, try to understand. This was in the pertain that it is a glass container, high glass container है. It was connected with and the tester which is responsible. आता बघा 180 psi प्रेशर झालं आहे. The pressure is going to continuously increase. या कंटेनरमध्ये वॉटर फिल करून ठेवलं आहे and we are rising the pressure. 180 चा 190 psi झालं and at one particular level the container has been get burst. The container has been get break. Now here if you will see, student, gradually the shape of the container is also changing. Gradually the shape of container was also changing. प्रेशर वाढवला जातोय, सातत्याने प्रेशर वाढवला जातो आणि कुठल्या प्रेशरला जाऊन आपला कंटेनर ब्रेक होतो किंवा ब्रस्ट होतो ते आपण एक्झामाइन करतोय. इथे बघा आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये हा बघा कंटेनरचा शेप कसा चेंज होतोय. द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज. 170 PSI पर्यंत चेंज झाला. 180 PSI ला तो कंटेनर, 175 PSI ला तो कंटेनर बर्स्ट झाला. द कंटेनर इज गेटिंग बर्स्ट ॲट द प्रेशर ऑफ 175 PSI, pound per square inch. Try to understand, student. So now this container, it was get bursted at the temperature, at the pressure of 195 PSI. 195 PSI ला हा कंटेनर बर्स्ट झालेला आहे. तर या प्रकारे इंटरनल बस्टिंग प्रेशर किती आहे ते आपण एक्झामाइन करू शकतो, ते आपण डिटरमाइन करू शकतो. Okay, student, hoping that you are getting this particular point which I want to explain, that is the sixth one or the sixth quality control test in concern of glass container, that is the internal bursting pressure test. So student, I have been completed one point from our unit 3. Unit 3 मधला एक point आपला संपलेला आहे, that was quality control test for the glass container. Student, totally 7 quality control test I have been explaining you in concern of the glass container. पहिलं होतं केमिकल रेजिस्टंट टेस्ट, त्याच्यामध्ये परत 2 पावडर ग्लास टेस्ट आणि वॉटर अटॅक टेस्ट. त्यानंतर आय एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द लाईट ट्रान्समिशन टेस्ट फॉर द अंबर कलर्ड ग्लास कंटेनर. I explain you about the hydrolytic resistant test for the glass container. Then today we have studied about the thermal shock test in concern of the glass container. Then leakage test I have been explaining you. Okay, just a minute, student. Some particular noise is there which I want to stop. Okay, so leakage test I have been completed. The method 1 and the method 2 I have been explaining you in the leakage test. And lastly, I show you the video that is in concern of the internal bursting pressure test for the glass container. How internally, if we are going to rise the pressure for the glass container gradually, then at one particular pressure, at one particular point, the glass container becomes get burst out, and hence we are able to determine the internal bursting pressure for the glass container. Okay, student. So I'm going to stop here. Tomorrow or in the next lecture, I will start with a new point, that is quality control test for the plastic container. So we have been completed with the quality control test for the glass container. In the next lecture, I will start with the quality control test for the plastic container. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.